Kitchens are known as the heart of the home. We cook our favorite meals, spend time with our families, and socialize. So it's important that the kitchen look and feel comfortable to be around. However, kitchens needn't be a difficult room to redesign. Design your perfect kitchen without the need for a kitchen designer. Whether you're preparing for a move to a new house or simply want to a kitchen remodel, these amazing kitchen ideas will come in handy. 1. Practical and classy. If you're cooking aficionado, you want to make sure that your kitchen remodeling incorporates space and comfort, and that you have everything at your fingertips. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice aesthetics. For a practical, classic kitchen plan, choose a kitchen with an island and high stools. Keep the color palette neutral for a timeless style and add fresh pops of color, with a few chic golden pendant ceiling lights as a focal point. A white kitchen with oak worktops is a fantastic for that fresh and open plan kitchen feeling, whereas a predominantly gray kitchen is perfect if you're after a sophistication and style. 2. Neat and effortless. If you want to take a minimalist approach to your kitchen design, you won't go wrong with a duochromatic color palette. A predominantly white kitchen is soothing, clean, fresh, and ageless. It's gorgeously complemented by deep blue, which is practical, elegant, and easy on the eyes. Think blue kitchen cabinets, blue quartz worktop, or navy blue kitchen accessories. If you're feeling bold, you can even opt for blue kitchen units. 3. Understated charm. Not everyone knows the kitchen styles they prefer. Whether you're an eclectic or a traditionalist, you can still play around with textures, colors, and small kitchen decorations to achieve your personal style. There are no rules for creating your dream kitchen design. A blush pink accent pendant ceiling light can be the statement piece to add your ideal kitchen layout. Pair it with minimalist designer or vintage kitchen furniture, depending on your taste. Cream kitchen chairs or any light neutral wooden chairs and white kitchen cupboards go together beautifully and create a relaxed atmosphere. Perfect for one of the best kitchen layouts for cooking and enjoying dinner. Cream kitchen wooden worktops are also a versatile addition to any kitchen. 4. Black and gold. The combination of black and gold is timeless and especially perfect for a vintage-style kitchen, reminiscent of the Art Deco style. This color combination looks stunning in spacious kitchen with wall walls and light-colored flooring. Think a gallery-style kitchen layout in your own home. To avoid the matchy-matchy kitchen design styles, when using the same color of different objects, make sure to choose different textures. For instance, a matte black island can be paired with glossy black chairs and a grand black sink. Thinking along these lines can help you achieve various different kitchen styles to suit you and your home. 5. Elegant and luxurious. Make those big, beautiful kitchens feel royal with the help of furniture and accessories to achieve a contemporary kitchen design. The white shelving and kitchen wall cupboards look expensive and extremely elegant, while the glass panels are functional yet still opulent. This creates traditional kitchen designs with a French twist that emanates class. The gray accessories, gray chairs, and gray land kitchen layout can make the kitchen look very distinguished and refined. The duochromatic aesthetic is soothing and makes this ideal kitchen layout look and feel spacious. 6. Traditional and clean. Choose this design if you are a fan of traditional styles. With simple, white kitchen wall cupboards and cabinets, dark marble worktops, and wood effect floors. This kitchen is elegant and timeless. The delicate chandelier adds a finishing touches, and the flowers are a welcome pop of color that make the room fresh and youthful. 7. Simple and functional. You don't need many kitchen color ideas to make your kitchen look welcoming. Black and white kitchen ideas and furniture design with glass panels will stand the test of time. This super functional kitchen design offers a lot of storage space, a large sink, and generous stove. Add your personal touch by installing a kitchen worktop, shelf, and displaying your favorite pictures or decor objects. In addition, the shelf can also accommodate recipe books. 8. Lofty and modern. Spacious kitchen plans can be tricky to furnish and decorate. If the space allows you, choose a show-stopping chandelier for your kitchen. It will instantly update the room and make it look splendid. For kitchen worktop ideas, clear, clean, white kitchen worktops will always make a kitchen look bigger and neater. For a pop of furnishing and freshness, add flowers and fruit on the kitchen island. Let the neutral light shine on your white kitchen furniture and keep the rest of the accessories spotted. 9. White and chrome. When in doubt, choose white and chrome kitchen color schemes. This is yet another timeless combination that looks gorgeous and feels comfortable. For a lot of storage, choose tall kitchen with cupboards and cabinets with